This drive should be safe. Setting this one up 145 yards away. This one might be a bit too much. Well, that approach kind of missed the mark a little bit. Okay, third shot. Okay, par putt coming up. Oh, it's getting there. Bit long on that one. Nicely done. Bit of a sluggish start, starting our round above par, but we'll get back down there eventually. This one looks like it'll play. Okay, second shot here on the second. Setting up for our third shot. Way to chip that one close. Well done. And that's your par right there. And you're one over par currently. Let's see what happens here on the third hole.
Great contact.
Taking driver off the fairway, are you? We'll get it back. Okay, here's our third shot. Don't pat yourself on the back just yet. You got a lot of work to do with the putter here. Here we go, birdie putt. A little too hard. Good stroke in the hole for a par. Okay, one over on the round currently. All right, let's have a nice tee shot and land it nicely in that fairway. Ooh, looks like we're going to the fairway. Okay, we are about 205 to the pin from here. Yep, that's gonna work. 8-footer here in front of us. Oh, that's tough. Well, that hole's behind us. Let's move on. And after that one, you are sitting at one over par. This hole's a short par 4. Might be able to get aggressive. Okay, let's get up and on our way from this bunker. And this is a monster putt coming up, but got out of that sand, right? So, every cloud. Here we go. Birdie putt coming up. Need a little more pace on that one. Good luck here. 8 feet to the cup. This one's tracking. That's going to work.
And that'll keep you at 1 over for the round.
And hopefully you can stick this one close. Great swing on that one. That didn't hit the mark, did it? Here's our second shot on this 6th hole. Oh, almost. Okay, and this one to save the hole. Good job.
Okay, so that'll keep you at 1 over for the round.
We've got a long par 4 staring us down on this one. I think we're going to line up in the fairway off the tee here. Okay, about 225 to the pin from here. Come on, give us a kick to the right. Approach shot worked out just fine. And this one is 30 feet away. Get in there. And just drop this on in and you'll get a par. And that was a good putt. Careful of the wind out there. This tee shot should play. Okay, this is looking to be about 225 from the pin. Nothing wrong with that. Safely on the green. You can get down to even par after this putt if you want. Just a little too much pace on that one. And this one's your 4th. Oh, nice little chip there. Okay, that putt's done. Teeing this one up on the 9th now. And that approach was a bit wayward. Well judged on that one. Boom. Okay, 2 over par at the moment. All right, pop a nice one out into the fairway on this one. That'll do nicely. And hitting into an elevated green on this one. Maybe a member's bounce to the left. Oh, it's unlucky. Missed the green on that approach. This one's your third. "27 feet from the cup." Oh, it's always tough leaving them short. And that putt safely in its home. Here comes the 11th hole. Beautiful swing. Well, that'll do for now. You bring things down to 2 over if you sink this. Oh, come on, get in. In the hole. Oh, man, did everything right on that one. I don't know how you did it. That was magical. Okay, we're going to take another look at that. Let's see the replay. Here we go now on the 12th. We're in the deep stuff. You might need a club or 2 extra on this shot.
Back on the fairway. This is where I like to be.
And this is our 3rd shot. Maybe a little too strong on this.
Nice. Ended up just fine after that shot.
This putt to take you down to 1 over.
Okay, time to get out the scorecard.
Here comes the 13th hole. Setting up here now for our 3rd shot.
Oh, nice. Way to chip that in for the eagle. That was better than I would have done.
Let's fire up a replay on that one. Going down to even par after that one. And teeing off now on a long par 4. Looking fine from the tee here. Okay, about 215 yards or so to the pin. Ooh, maybe we can get a kick left here. Nice shot. That'll do. Here we go. This one for birdie. Going towards that hole. This one's for par. And there we go. And after that hole, you'll stay there at even par. Teeing off on a par 3. Nice swing. Well, missed the green there on that one. Here's our 2nd shot on the 15th hole. Coming through with the chip. Okay, safely home with that putt. And after that one, even par is your score. Looks like a fairway off the tee here. And this is about 165 yards out. This is leaning to the right. Nice stroke. We're on the green. All right, here's a 23-footer. Yes, in there with the long bomber. And oh yeah, we're going to look at that one again. And currently 1 under for the day. And we're working with the tailwind on this hole. Hopefully this will nestle itself nicely in the fairway. And this is our second shot here on the 17th. A good one. And this is your third shot. Oh, almost hold it. Here we go. This is for birdie. That was nice. Back-to-back birdies. And teeing it up now for the final hole. Hopefully this one will bounce to the right. Well, that'll work on the green, won't it? Sink this and you get down to 3 under par. Oh, just going right by the hole. Ooh. Here is a bogey putt. And the putt drops and your round's done.